Hi, cutie pies. Welcome to another fun-filled episode of Kids O'Clock with Saumya. Today, I'm going to be telling you the story of Lily and Cole. And in the craft section, we will learn to make a caterpillar bookmark today. So let's get started with our story. Lily and Cole's friendship. Lily the ladybug lived alone in a beautiful garden. She had no friends, as there were not many bugs and insects in the park due to a recent pest control done by Parks Department. One morning, while sitting on a flower, she heard a voice. "Hello, my lady." "Hello," said Lily as she looked down at this small green creature crawling in the grass. "I'm Cole the caterpillar. Will you be my friend?" "Of course," said Lily. Lily and Cole became best friends and they started hanging out together all the time. One day, Cole saw a juicy leaf near the topmost petal of a flower. He wanted to crawl up there and get the leaf. Lily offered to help. Lily: "I can fly up there and get the leaf for you." Cole: "No, dear, I want to crawl up there and get it myself." Lily got offended. "What do you think of yourself? You call me your friend and you can't even let me bring you a leaf? Why do you have to do everything yourself?" Cole: "Cool down, my friend. It's not about you. I know you can fly up there and get me the leaf in no time. But I want to crawl up there and do it myself." Lily: "But why?" "In just a few days, I will become a butterfly. Then I can always fly and go wherever I want in no time. But I want to enjoy this journey of mine and my life as a caterpillar because it's going to change soon." Lily understood that it's not about her friend not wanting help from her, but it's about him wanting to enjoy all his life's phases the way they are. They hugged and didn't let their little argument get the better of their friendship. I hope you guys like the story. It's time for a craft section. Let's learn to make a caterpillar bookmark today. Take a cardboard piece and draw circles on it. They don't have to be of equal diameter. Cut a shape that you've just drawn as closest as you can to the sketch. Now I'm just going to stick green pom-poms on these circles. I'm taking green color pom-poms, one light green and one dark green, and I'm sticking them on this piece of cardboard with tacky glue. I'm sticking pom-poms on a piece of cardboard instead of just sticking them together because it's easier to stick anything to a piece of cardboard than to stick fabric to a fabric. That's why. Make sure that the cardboard piece is not visible. I had these cute little sticky eyes. I got them from dollar store, and I'm going to make eyes of my caterpillar by just sticking them on the pom-pom. cut it slightly with scissors, and I'm going to make the cute mouth of my caterpillar with that little pom-pom piece. And here it is, a pom-pom bookmark. It's very easy, very simple. Anyone can make it. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for a fun fact about caterpillars. Caterpillars have 6 legs. Caterpillar has as many as 4,000 muscles in its body, and caterpillar has 12 eyes. Wow! Please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more fun craft stories, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you later very soon.